टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज पीरियोडिकल असेसमेंट टेस्ट सोशल साइंस क्लास 6 का अक्टूबर 2021 का पेपर्स देखेंगे। इसका सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके सॉल्यूशन को। तो पीरियोडिकल असेसमेंट टेस्ट सोशल साइंस अक्टूबर 2021 मार्क्स 25 स्टैंडर्ड 6 टाइम आवर 1। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन। फर्स्ट है द सन एंड द मून। द आंसर इज सन मून। सन in first point it is a yellow dwarf star at the center of the solar system. Moon in first point it is a celestial body that orbit the earth. Second, in sun point sun has its own light. Moon in second point it does not produce its own light, it shines as it reflects the light of the sun. Third point, in sun it is much larger in size than the moon. Its diameter is around 400 times larger than the diameter. Third point, in moon it is much smaller in size than the sun. Fourth point, in sun orbits the center of the Milky Way galaxy. Fourth, moon point, the moon orbits the earth. It takes 27.322 days to rotate once around the earth. Second difference है the star and the planet. Star in first point, stars are incredibly hot, having high temperature to them. Planet in first point, planets on the other hand have relatively low temperature. Second point, stars have a unique effect of twinkling in the sky. Second, in planet do not exhibit the twinkling effect unlike star. Stars in third point, the star change their position but can be seen only after a long time due to substantial distance. Planet in third point, planets in orbit on their own axis change their position constantly. Fourth point, the object that produce their own light and do not rely on an external source for the production of light. Planet in fourth point, planet are incapable of producing their own light. Question 2, answer the question given below. First question, what is daily motion of the earth called? Answer is the daily motion of the earth is called rotation. Question 2, give reason day and night are longer and shorter. The answer is we get day and night because the earth spins on an imaginary lines called its axis and different part of the planets are facing towards the sun or away from it. Over here the length of the day time in the part earth where you have changes. Question 3, why do leap year comes every 4 years? The answer is there is a leap day every 4 years because earth complete one revolution around the sun in around 365 days and 6 hours over a period of 4 years. The extra 6 hours from every years get added up to become an entire day. 6 into 4 is equal to 24 hours. Hence we have a leap year every 4 years. Question 3, answer the question given below. In first question, how Tadpatras and Bhojpatras are useful to know the history? The answer is Tadpatras and Bhojpatras gives the information about language and lifestyle of early people. They also gives us the information about man of ancient India. Thus Tadpatra and Bhojpatra useful to know the history. Question 2, what are Tamrapatras? At which place the collection of Tamrapatras are found in Gujarat? The answer is the writing curve on copper plates are known as Tamrapatras. The places like Hemchandra Library in Patan, LD Institute of Indology, Naurangpura, Ahmedabad, etc. the collection of Tamrapatra are found. Question 3, explain the concept of inscription and give one example of it. The answer is articles which are carved on the metal and stone are called stone inscription. In first point, many king and queen have inscribed their information on it. Second point, One example of it, 4 stone inscription of Ashoka's time. Question 4, answer the question given below. In first question, state the feature of the ancient village of Meghra in India. The answer is Mehrgarh is an old place of ancient India. At present, it is in Pakistan. It is believed that the growing of crop like wheat and barley, rearing of sheep and goats might have started for the first time here. The bones of sheep and goats and cows have been found in a large quantity. In one grave, bones of goat, bird along with a dead person were found. Question 2, what can be learned from the habitat of primitive man? The answer is the ability to make and use tool, our control of fire and our knack for finding shelter from the elements all contribute to the collective knowledge. Sites like Blombus cave shown here have given scientists evidence about how early humans lived and what they were capable of. Question 3, what is meant by Stone Age? The answer is the Stone Age mark a period of prehistory in which humans used primitive stone tools lasting roughly 2.5 million years. The Stone Age ended around 5000 years ago when humans in the Near East began working with metal and making tools and weapons from bronze. Question 5, draw the globe and show the following details on it. First, Tropic of Capricorn, North Pole, Temperate Zone, South Pole, Equator. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ग्लोब ड्रॉ करके नॉर्थ पोल, साउथ पोल, बीच में इक्वेटर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न एंड टेम्परेट जोन. ठीक है, अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.